this in terms of if it's compounding, if it's continuously compounding interest. So the continuously part tells you that it's going to be doing it all the time versus just like monthly or weekly. Okay. Our formula is a lot shorter. Okay, we'll explain what all that stuff is again. So A, again, is going to be your amount, your final amount. P is, again, the principal, or the initial amount. That's T. All right, your R is still the rate, and the T is still the time. Okay. So when we're reading these, to tell the difference, you're looking for a specific wording. So we're going to highlight it. It's continuously compounding. That continuously tells you it's going to be the E one versus the first one we used. Okay. So we have A is equal to, I'm going to put A of T. There we go. Equals your initial amount of 850. Okay, so now it's continuously compounding, so it's going to be E. The rate is 6%, so we're going to put 0.06. And then T is the time. And since we're not given a time, it's just going to be T. So that's the equation we're going to use for Francisco. Okay, if we want to find out how much it is after 1 year, we have A of T equals 850 to the E times 0.06 times 1. Sorry, it's a little small. All right, so we go over to our calculator. We have 850, all right, times E. Now, E is if you hit the blue button, and then hit the divide button. There's E. Raised to the 0.06, the T times 1 doesn't going to change the number, so we don't even need to use it this time. Okay, enter. So you're going to have $902.56. So 902.56. $902.56. Okay. Same idea, but this time we're going to use T as 5 years. So we have A to the T power equals 850. E, 0.06, but this time we're going to multiply it by 5. Okay. Again, we go to our handy-dandy calculator. 850 times E raised to the 0.06 times 5. All right, enter. So you got 1,147.38 cents. 1147.38. For some reason, Canvas is being silly and takes things off and mirror images other things. So sorry for the zoom in and out real quick. All right, question number 11. We have J. Again, we're looking at compounded continuously. That tells us we're going to use the E equation versus the other one. Okay, so we have A of T equals 1,500 times E, all right, to the 0.02 times T. So I'm not given a value for the years. All right. We're going to use the same one in question 12 to find the actual answer after 7 years. So we have A of T equals 1,500 times E to the 0.02 times 7. All right, then we go back to our calculator. So we have 1,500 times E to the 0.02 times 7. So you got 1725.41. 1925.41. Okay. Next, we're going to look at these in terms of population growth. Okay. So we have population. So we're going to write a different function. We're going to have P of t. So population would be P instead of amount. Okay, is represented by the first initial value is 19,360. Again, we see this part of continuously growing. All right, so it's 19,360 in the year 2000. Okay, and it grows by a rate, since it's continuously, it's times E, and a rate of 0.029 times T. Okay, so we're going to use the same thing. We're going to zoom in. P of t equals 19,360 times E to the 0.029. And since it's from 2000 to 2020, so we're going to do since 2020. So it's just 20 years. All right, we're going to go in our calculator again. 19,360 times, I'm sorry, back up. Try it again. 19,360 times E to the 0.029 times 20. So we have 34,577. Now, for the decimal, because you can't have 0.7 people, we're going to cut off that part. I'm going to round down. It's going to be just 34,577. Okay. Technically, you really can't have a decimal of people. It'd be 0.7 of a person would be, I don't know what, an arm off or something. So let's not do that. All right, and last one, we have the same idea. E to the 0.029. This time we're going to be 32 years. So we have E raised to the 0.029 times 32. All right, so we got 48,970. 48,970. Again, we're rounding down, so we don't have part of a person. All right. You should try the next two. You have two different questions. One is about savings accounts. One is about annual growth. A quick hint for these two. This one says compounded daily. Okay, it's not continuously, so you're going to have to figure out what daily is. Okay. And for the population, all right, same thing. Since it doesn't say continuously, it says an annual growth rate. Okay. You're going to use the original equations that we had at the beginning of the lesson as well. But try these out on your own, okay, and we will see you tomorrow.